Hey there, if you made it this far, you're probably wondering how I actually like this air conditioner. We had this unit installed last year. The Goodman air conditioner has been really good at cooling our home. We have no complaints. There's been no squeaking of the blade, and it's not that noisy compared to some other AC units. Now, there probably is quieter ones out there, but they cost a little bit more. And this is the one we chose. So going on to our second summer with the AC, I would never go back without having an air conditioner. Because on those hot summer days, you will never regret getting AC. You can find more information on their website. Subscribe to my channel for all new videos. Thanks for watching and stay cool.